Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shellie Geigle with J&S Hobbies and Crafts. And today what's new at J&S Hobbies and Crafts are these two Stamperia paper packs. One is the Desire and one is called Our Way, which is more of a fall type colors. So we're going to look at both of these. I'm going to flip through them and take a look at them. Alright, I think I have both pages in frame so I don't have to flip through. See if I can get that up there a little bit better. There we go. Coming to the first page, which is the back side of the cover, we have this. This is beautiful. This looks like a little journal. These colors are amazing. We have the birds, the backgrounds, beautiful fall colors. And I hope I'm not going to be going too fast for you, but we have another one to get through. I adore this. I really do. I like it when they put some characters in there. This is a nice rich color for a background. Very nice. This paper could be used for a lot of different things, from travel to journal to just every day. Like that background. Beautiful. Looks like we have the streets as a background. Very nice. Another background sheet. I think this color is slightly different than the one we saw before. Let's check it out. So we had that one. This one is a little brighter. This one is more muted down. I'm going to put this in between so you can kind of see the color differences. I hope you can. I can. Lovely background. Pretty. And then they have the 6x6 panels here. Chase your dreams, let the journey begin, true friends, travel journal. And if you are not liking those as to use in your project, on the back side you can use something like that. Very pretty. Another good background to split up some of the colors. And we have the little, I don't know what you'd call this, tag sheet cut aparts. I have a lot of good sayings in here. No journey is too long with the right company. The language of friendship is not words but meanings. All your dreams can come true if you have the courage to pursue them. I like that. A lot of good stuff on this page. And here is the background sheet and another cut apart or postcard sheets over here. And on the back. And then we come to the last, and this is the cut apart sheet. Has a lot of good stuff, a lot of colors in here to add to some of those background sheets or just some of the other prints. Oops, someone's tearing off down the road. They're gonna be right after the construction of this house, right? Most of the noise is gone. And so now what I'm gonna be dealing with is heavy traffic. They are shutting down one of the roads for improvement. And guess whose road is going to be the detour route? Mine. So we're going to get a lot of car noise, unfortunately, in my You and Me album that I'm filming. And I am behind on that. I did watch my grandsons for a couple weeks, so I wasn't able to do any filming. Just Nana and grandkids time. All right, let's go to this. Desire. Very colorful, pretty, a romantic collection or a sweetheart type collection, or if you're into the tango, this is great. I'd use something like this for every day, just kind of pictures of my husband and I. And okay, behind here is some cut aparts, and I love this trim. I love the colors. I really do. Some of my favorite colors are the red and black. And I like how they brought in another color. Very pretty. Oh, to die for. I love that background. And then we have some cut apart panels. Very nice. And on the back, very romantic. Nice background sheet. And we got the tango. I love these doors. It's really nice. I love that background, and I love how they did the little trim band down here in the paper. Very nice, colorful. Very pretty. I love this background. Now, one thing about this one is the scale of this is pretty large. I did flip through this recently. However, if this is too large of a scale on the project you're working with, but you still like that image, guess what? They have a smaller one in the very back. So if you wanted to use this background sheet, you can always add that back in. Or just use half of it and use the back half for something else and put in some cut-aparts. Very pretty. This is one of my favorites of the background sheets. You can do a lot with that. Here are some panels. Very nice. And I like the back of them as well. And she is quite beautiful. I love everything that they've done on this sheet. Another background. Very pretty. Ooh, love it. I'm glad they put this in there. And the reason why is they have this color throughout, if you notice. So this is going to match in with any piece in this collection, even on the other background sheets. But it does match in totally. I'm glad they added that. And then we have, it looks like a cut-apart sheet, tags, or whatever you'd like to use. Good images too. And then on the back, oh, see, that's gonna be really hard for me. And I know a lot of you that use double-sided sheets, we come up against, hey, I want to use this, this, and that. But on the flip side, we have to make a decision. If you're using 2 paper packs, you don't have the problem. But I love the polka dots, and I love how they did the trim down here. So for me, I would be using the majority of this in my project, and if I could get a little piece of that, I would. Nice background. They did a really good job on this. Ooh, another polka dots. I love that. And then we come to the cut-apart sheet where you can add in certain elements here to your project, and it will all match in beautifully. All right, so tell me, what do you think of these 2 paper packs? Be sure to comment below in the comments area. Let me know. Is there a favorite? Do you like both? Which one would be if you had to choose? All right, everybody. I hope you've enjoyed this little What's New flip through. And I will see you on my next tutorial, which I've started working on, and that is the Stamperia You and Me wedding style album. Happy crafting!